Hi, this is Gavin from FE Careers. I'm just going to show you how to log into your advertiser account and how to upload jobs and how to check out your profile. So first of all, go to fecareers.co.uk and you'll see this page here. Just click on the login button just here. So I'm going to click login. I'm going to go through my test account. So I'm going to change the password to my test one. So you put in your email address and your password. You'll get an email about how to reset your password if you've just gone on the transfer from the old site to the new one. Helps if I get the correct password. And you log in. This is your dashboard. So because I logged in as me, it's my name. It says how many job credits I've got, how many premium credits I've got. Premium credits work on being very standout on the homepage on FE Careers, but also I've got AI, artificial intelligence budget behind it to post jobs on multiple sites, which is really quite cool. CV credits here as well, but I want to show you how to post a job. So you just click this button here, post a new job, and you can select if you want to post an apprenticeship vacancy on apprenticeship job search or a work-based learning further education staffing role on FE Careers. I'm going to post to FE Careers, so I'll select there. It recommends that we put the job title, the industry and location in the title. So I'm going to have an assessor in engineering in Exeter. Minimum salary is say 20,000. Maximum salary is 60,000. Pretty cool job. You can show a different salary if you want to. Now location, because it's in Exeter, I'm just going to type in Exeter here and it will come down the drop down. I select Exeter. You can't do nationwide like you couldn't do on the old site. You've got to select a town because we do radial searches off of the town. You can tick here to show a different location. So the location will show on the search is Exeter. You can then put nationwide if you wanted to, or I don't know, Plymouth. But you know, it's up to you. I would just personally stick with showing the location as Exeter. Job type is permanent, working hours full time. Close date automatically does 28 days. You can set it to before that if you want to. So now we can select the job role and industry sectors. So it's an assessor. You can just free type here. Engineering. Then I'm going to have a job. This is a job with more text and stuff. Job reference. So let's call this test job. I want to post a job immediately. You can select to make it a premium job. This will mean it'll be the standout on the home page and also have the AI budget behind it as well. You'd need a premium job credit to do that, so you can just get in touch with us to do that. You can just buy off of your dashboard. Post job. That's it. Job done. And you'll see in my dashboard that the job is now live.